Unlock your desires with the 55 times 5 method. The 55 times 5 manifestation technique is a powerful way to make your dreams a reality in just 5 days. Here's how it works. Step 1. Write your affirmation. Create a clear, positive statement about your desire. For example, I am confident and successful. Step 2. Write 55 times. Each day, write your affirmation 55 times in one sitting. Focus and feel the words deeply. Step 3. Practice for 5 days. Repeat this process every day for 5 days. Why it works? Intense repetition and focus help you align with your goal, turning your desires into reality. Ready to change your life? Grab a workbook, start writing, and watch your dreams unfold. Try it and see the magic unfold.